In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export the chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online to Excel. This process is pretty straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's jump right in. To begin, you'll need to sign into your account, head over to QuickBooks Online. If you're not already there, make sure you go to the QuickBooks Online site and click on the Sign In button. It might be located at the top right corner of the page, depending on your browser or interface. After clicking, a drop-down menu may appear, prompting you to choose your sign-in option. In this case, select QuickBooks Online. Once you've chosen QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. So, go ahead and type in your username and password. Remember to verify the details before hitting that Continue button to ensure you're logging into the right account without any hassle. Now that you're signed in and ready to go, the next step is to navigate to the Transactions section. You'll find this option in the main navigation on the left-hand side. Click on it to expand the menu. Among the options that appear, you're looking for the Chart of Accounts section. Click on Chart of Accounts and it will lead you to a detailed list of your accounts. In the Chart of Accounts page, you'll notice a number of actions you can perform. Look for the Run Report button, which should be prominently displayed on your screen. Click on Run Report and this action will generate a detailed report of your accounts based on the current data stored in your QuickBooks Online profile. Once your report is generated and ready, it's time to export it. Look for the More Actions menu. Clicking on this will reveal further options, including the ability to export your data. You're almost there. The final step is to look for Export to Excel. When you click this option, QuickBooks will begin preparing your data for export into an Excel spreadsheet. You should see a prompt to download the file onto your device. A quick and seamless process, and that's it. You've successfully exported your chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online into an Excel spreadsheet. This exported file now provides you with the flexibility to manipulate, analyze, or share your financial data. Whether it's for a meeting presentation or simply for your personal records, you're all set. Remember, if you have any issues or need to refine the process for your particular needs, QuickBooks support is just a click away for more personalized assistance. Thanks for following along and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.